guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for online banking account on OCBC Bank of Singapore. In order to enroll for your OCBC online banking, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, type ocbc.com. Once you are directed to the bank's homepage, go and tap onto the login option here. And from the options below, choose personal banking. By doing this, it will take you to the online banking login page of OCBC Bank. Now at the bottom of the page, you can see the sign up now option here. Tap on it in order to register for your OCBC online banking account. Now in order to proceed for the registration process, you will need your ATM, debit card or credit card number, then your ATM, debit card or credit card PIN. Now you'll have to enter your card details like your ATM, credit or debit card details in here and your PIN number in here. Once done, you'll have to enter your personal details. For your identification type, you can choose it from the section here and then enter your identification number. Then set a date of birth for yourself. Once you are done entering the personal details, scroll down, type in the letters as shown in the captcha image. Once you are done, tap on next. And once you land onto another page, it will further guide you to enroll for your OCBC online banking account. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.